Hey guys, it's me, Aviskar, and today I came up with a new video about Pokemon Go hack with joystick and the speed whichever you like, fastest, slowest, any speed. So, in this video I'll tell you how to install an app that gives you ability to go anywhere in this world in Pokemon Go. So you can see now I don't have any joystick, so we have to download an app to get it. But now I have not turned on the app, so there is no joystick. So let's get started. So see guys, I'm in just a simple place without any joystick, which have no Pokestops. So let's get started how to install the app that gives you joystick in Pokemon Go. So at first you have to go to Play Store and you have to type fake GPS Go or fake GPS joystick. After you type, an app will appear, fake GPS joystick. So here's it. Click on it, install it, and after installing, open the app. So search the place you want to go. I'll search San Francisco. I choose this place because here are many Pokemon. So I choose it. I made the run and see, you can choose your speed. Here's the joystick. So let's go to Pokemon Go. It takes some time to load, but it will appear very soon. If it doesn't, you can go to Fake GPS Go and check it again. So we are in San Francisco. So as you can see, you are in a side of a road. So soon Pokestop will appear and we can play it. So have fun playing this game, and you can speed how much you want, and you can run very fast. And enjoy this game, have fun, and tell me what video me and Sriyan should make next. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. And tell us which is your favorite Pokemon in Pokemon Go, and the games of Pokemon you like. Thank you guys for watching this video.